Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact clip type and location. This matters because Lexus uses several clip styles that behave differently. Remove nearby panels to expose the clip. Start at an edge and pry gently with a plastic tool to avoid paint damage. If a metal tab is present, press it down or lift it slightly to release tension. Once the clip head lifts, use pliers to pull straight out. Avoid twisting, because twisting increases breakage risk and complicates reinstallation. Next, deal with clips that resist. Apply a light penetrating spray to corroded or painted over clips and wait several minutes so the solvent works. This lubricates the shaft versus forcing it. Insert a thin pick under the head to lift while pulling with clip pliers. If a push rivet is present, carefully cut a shallow slot in the center of the head to relieve pressure and pop the center pin out. Make incremental movements. Sudden force can strip the retention flange and ruin the hole. Finally, inspect each clip and hole. Replace damaged clips with matching OEM types so panels sit correctly and rattle-free. Clean debris from mounting holes, align the panel, and press firmly until each clip snaps. Test by gently tugging the trim. If a hole is enlarged, install a plastic repair sleeve or use a slightly larger clip to restore retention. If a new clip still fails, drill out and install an anchor insert. This restores strength and prevents recurring failures. Use moderate force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.